I will show you in this video how to add keywords on Hostinger website builder. But first of all, why you should learn this and why you should add focused keywords on Hostinger. So the main reason is that focused keywords are like the best way to describe your content of your page. So you're optimizing, you attract also the right audience, because when you choose and use the correct keywords, you're aligning your content with what visitors might potentially look for. So I think it's very helpful. So I'm just going to show you right now instead of just explaining. So I'll just click on here. I'll select this website that I want to add a keyword. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go here to more settings, and here from more settings, I can click on SEO settings, and then here from SEO for work page, I have clients page, I have projects page, blog page. You're gonna see here focused keywords. To help search engines understand your content, select one focused keyword or key phrase that best represents the topic of this page. So for this instance, for let's say actually about page, I can click on add new keyword and I can type here a key phrase or a keyword. So here for my example, what's the purpose of this page? You're gonna have to pick keywords or phrases that best describes this about page, and something that will align with the style of my brand. So I can write here our story, meet the team, something like that. So I can write here about my work, and here I can also add maybe my brand. It's up to you. And then here you have a key phrase. You can add a keyword, maybe about page. Okay. Don't add too many. You'll look bad for the search engine. And now here you can also add a meta description. You can also add a page URL. You can edit your page URL. You can see this one right over here. Include something focused on keywords. Page URL should include a focus keyword, right? So about my how to browser business, that's kind of too long. I don't really like, but you can add here page URL, site, also title. This is about my business, how to browser, and then SEO title should include a focus keyword. You can also add a meta description here. Describe more in length. That's absolutely true. To really describe this page, this is where you can include exactly what your business is about. In my opinion, that's what you should add there. So also you can hide page from search engines, but why you should do this, I mean, I don't see any reason, but if you want to, you have that option right over here. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget that you also have more pages here, so you're gonna have to do some work to customize this. Here, just don't forget in my meta description to include something about your business, about what you're doing, about in my example, this sample website is about tutorials, what kind of tutorials you create, you offer, something unique about your business. And you can also add something to encourage visitors to learn more about you, like learn more about us, something like that maybe. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.